Blessed morning, everybody. We're heading to St. Augustine with my in-laws and my wife at the back.
Good morning.
Morning, everyone. So,
Good morning.
they're at the
Good
back.
morning from Florida.
Okay. I'm gonna show you around, guys. We're still on our way. So, magagas muna kami, mga kababayan. Ayan, sa racetrack. That's the name of the station. Self-service po dito, parang sa pang bansa rin, like UK. Sa Pilipinas lang naman ang may gasoline boy or girl.
Yes, boy.
Yeah. So, gas muna kami, guys. Mga number niya, guys. So, you choose one of them.
Alright, let's choose 89.
89. Then, press. So, we're exiting na. Exit na kami to I-95, guys. Papuntang St. Augustine. Ito yung road, the main road to go. Ayan. Nag-join kami ng motorway or expressway. Cost. That's a sign. Ay, yung big bike. Tumaan na yung big bike. Diba?